Hi, I'm Darcy, and this is my project Mova. So, in this short video, I'm going to walk you through Mova, a gesture based PDF reading tool that really lets you scroll, zoom, highlight, and navigate. All you need is just your hands. Okay, and then we start with a problem. We all spending hours reading PDFs for school, work, or research, but scrolling, clicking, and highlighting over and over again can be really tiring. You lose your focus and becomes more about moving your hand than actually reading. So that really inspired me to create Mova. And what's Mova specifically about? Mova turns your webcam into a gesture sensor. It recognizes hands movement and lets you control the reading experience. There's no special hardware, it only runs in the browser. All you need is your laptop and your hands. So when you first launch Mova, it starts with a simple tutorial. You will just shown at like basic gestures one by one. You will just perform the gestures, and when it's correct, you can move to the next one. For example, you can pinch twice quickly, go to the next page, and also like wave your hand for undo lost action. Once you complete the tutorial, the upload PDF button appears and you're ready to go. You can just also try some new gesture you just learned here. And for now, I close the hand tracking and text reminders below. I will definitely elaborate more later on this special button. So after uploading your PDF, you will see your reading page on the right and thumbnails on the left. Now gestures will take over the whole process. You can scroll with just a pinch and move, and also definitely zoom by move your hand sideways, flip to the next page, no mouse needed at all. And if you want to highlight something, just enter mark mode and point the lines with your finger. It feels like you're moving through the content, not just clicking on it. And if you ever made a mistake, wave your hand and it's undone. And now I will elaborate more on the question mark button I mentioned before. Users can also toggle the gesture overlays and prompts on and off by clicking the button above the visualizer. When it's on, you will see the hand landmarks and gesture labels. When it's off, the page will look much cleaner so you can focus on reading. In the bottom right corner, there's also a small visualized circle. It shows a moving circle that directly responds to your gestures. If you're scrolling up, the dot moves up. If you zoom in, it shrinks. Zoom out, it grows. Next page, it blinks twice. If you undo something, a little cross appears in a circle. And in the mark mode, it will show like two cute eye circles as your reading pal. It's super quiet, subtle, but always give you feedback so you know it's working. And finally, you can export your work. After marking some important sections, you can definitely click the download highlights button. Mova will save all your highlighted pages into a new PDF, so you can easily review or share your notes later. So in the end, I really wish to talk more about why Mova matters. Mova isn't just a tool, it's an attempt to rethink how we interact with digital texts and devices. It helps reduce physical strain, supports longer focus, and offers definitely different relationship with the screen. So you are not constantly clicking. In Mova, you're reading with your body. So that's Mova. Thank you so much for watching. If you're curious or wish to try it or have feedback, let's talk.